Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpents, and if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We are getting set. And when I say we're getting set, we are getting ready for meteoric rally. Key imminent decisions. Key decisions are about to happen in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. Now, at the moment, the way that I see this playing out, I see a massive rally coming through as soon as the tiniest little bit of positive news comes out in favor of Ripple. It's really important to pay attention to what is going on and what the narrative that is being put in front of us is. Really, 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 really important. Because at the moment, with the whole case, way that it's going, an RSI above 50, up, quite a bit over the last 7 days. And these key decisions that could make or mar XRP, right? I mean, of course, if it goes south, it goes south. But again, it's not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but it's pointing towards a positive news coming out. Like really positive news coming out. And so I think it's exciting times ahead. Really, really exciting times. Now, if you don't follow Ripple on social media, especially on Twitter, you should. Our mission is to build breakthrough crypto solutions for a world without economic borders. I mean, I love that, right? It's very, very simple, very much to the point. 11 hours ago, they posted this. But there's a lot of information, coming through on the socials, right? Decode code challenge in Toronto, what's going on there, what Brad has been saying in the last 48 hours, the ripple effect, everything that's going on, right? The NFT NYC, awards and what has been going on in that place. And then just in general, like all these different things that are coming out, which are really, really, really important. Now, I like this one, right? It goes, Drake just released a new album and a week later, Ripple opens its first office in Canada. Coincidence? In all seriousness though, Toronto has some incredible technical talent and we're looking forward to meeting you. They're hiring, right? They go, we're looking to hire 50 new employees in the area, eventually expanding to hundreds of technical positions. This isn't a company that's slowing down. This isn't a company. This is a liquid business with deep pockets. While everyone else in the industry is letting go of people, these guys are hiring. The bank account must look good in order to be able to do that. Now, follow the socials, right? I mean, the whole point of that was follow the socials, stay up to date. Now, Brad Garlinghouse reckons Ripple will expand out of the US if company loses XRP versus SEC lawsuit. This has already been mentioned a couple of times by him. They asked the question again. He answered in the same manner. He said it's not a matter of if, it's a definite. We will move out of America if that were to happen. Now, the Ripple case could make or break the entire crypto industry in the United States. So that's how big this is. For those of you out there going, I hope they lose, I hope you know what you're talking about. This is serious. It could set a precedent for regulatory treatment of crypto assets in the United States. Careful what you wish for, because nobody wants to see Ripple lose. I mean, apart from the fact that the case itself is a complete garbage. Like complete garbage. And again, it's just my opinion, but complete garbage. Like, let's call a spade, right? I mean, it's ridiculous that we're even in this position and how long we've been in this position. But it's just not going to happen. I don't see it, Serpents. I see it going one way, a settlement or a win for Ripple. Now, major court decision in Ripple SEC case imminent. Binance to pause ETH operations. SHIB large transactions rise to 880%. And there's been quite a bit of news coming out, right? But of course, the big one is, Ripple versus SEC. Major court decisions may make direction of lawsuit imminent. This is how big this is. This is huge. The next couple of days are huge. We're waiting patiently for this. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. But you guys know me by now. I'm patient. But I can't wait. I can't wait to hear this because it's going to be positive. I can feel it. There's been a lot of talk about it's interesting, right? I mean, there's been quite a bit of talk about, XRP price prediction. Will Ripple become the one world currency? It's probably one of the first times that I've seen a news company do that and actually say, will Ripple become the one world currency? There's been a lot of talk about it. There are a lot of theories and a lot of when the sun and the moon hits this particular thing, this will happen, right? But it's very, very interesting, right? I mean, Ripple put out this tweet saying, Ripple CBDC solution leverages a private version of the public open source XRP ledger, ensuring greater control over issuance, management, privacy, and validation, more so than the public blockchain. And then digital asset investor, put out, one world order, one world taxation, one world money. Again, there's been a lot of theories and talks about this. I don't like to bring these conversations into the channel. Sorry guys, for those of you that enjoy this stuff. One step at a time, right? Well, on-demand liquidity, solving real-world problems. I like to talk to you guys about that. Talking about one world currency and one world taxation and XRP being the one that connects everything. No, not on this channel. Sorry if you like that stuff, but it's just not on this channel. Now, XRP up by more than 10% after Ripple announced plans to expand, to hire more people. Sentiment is strong for XRP. Despite where we're at in the moment in the marketplace, people are starting to come around to the fact that, hey, this could be a really, really good risk to reward ratio. You and I know that, but more and more people are doing that. And like I said, Ripple to hire 50 engineers for its new crypto hub in Canada. That's a lot of people, right? That's a lot of people to hire. You wouldn't be hiring if you didn't expect the big things to come, would you? Big things are coming. And there's been a lot of talk about the contradiction of the SEC, right? 1 minute they're saying this, 1 minute they're saying that. To me, I've always believed the truth never changes. Never changes its narrative, never changes its tactic. It's the truth. And SEC keep changing their mind. And to me, I smell, what. Let's have a look at Italia. Let's have a look at some indicators. Now, as we begin to look from a charts perspective, from an RSI perspective, from a MACD perspective, right? MACD is in the bullish, RSI sitting towards the middle. Bollinger Bands, we're sitting right above the middle, right? I mean, we're sitting above the moving average 50 as well. So there's quite a lot of momentum shift happening. And we're starting to see the price go up, 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 up. Now, to me, at the moment, the way that it's shaping and the fact that we are any day now waiting for this positive or negative news from the judge, being, Sunday night, usually Sunday night, heading into Monday in Australia, we do see the market drop a little bit and then we pick up again, in the morning. But right now, for me, we're sitting in a position where it could go either way. I know that all the indicators are bullish at the moment, but there is still a very high chance that we could be dropping it back into the low 30s, if not a 30 flat and not a 29 as well. So I just want to make sure you guys are aware of that, because there are still possibilities. I keep getting questions, hey, what's a good entry? What's a good entry? What's a good entry? Just dollar cost average. If you are in doubt of what is a good entry or what's a bad entry, just dollar cost average. That's the easiest way to fix that problem. It's the easiest way to fix that problem. So again, I really, really, really want you to get into the habit of doing that, because at the moment, nobody can tell you what the bottom will be, because you still got the lingering thing of Tether, of Celsius. There's a lot of stuff going on at the moment that could still bring this market crashing down further. I just want to be tough with you guys, because you got to understand this stuff, because if you understand it, then you can do something about it. In doubt, dollar cost average. Got it? Good. Let's have a look at some charts. Now, could we be going through a phase now where, we're just going to be hovering around here and then we finally explode to the up? Could be, right? I mean, that's only a scenario that could be happening. And if it were to happen, it would be very typical of XRP, right? I mean, this is an overlay of 2017, 2018 numbers and what occurred then. But look how quickly it all spiraled out of control. All the way to, that would be like an equivalent all the way to $28. I mean, that is just insane to think about at the moment. Then when you look at, from a different perspective as far as what the future holds, based on, the long-term trajectory, right? I mean, we're talking about, long time in the making, but look, with on-demand liquidity, everything that is about to go on and what the Ripple plan is for on-demand liquidity hub around the world, I don't see why one day we could be seeing those numbers. One day. We're talking about 2, 3, 4 years from now, right? I mean, if anything triple digit, don't think about it happening this year, because I can tell you now, it ain't gonna happen. What could happen is this. Come back all the way down to 30 flat, hit that support zone, and shoot back up. That, I believe, is very likely to occur. But when we do go, we're going to go. We're going to go, and we're going to go fast. And I can't wait. If you did enjoy today's video, though, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So, thank you. Look forward to see you on the next one.